Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on HONOR Magic5 Lite. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Chrome, and here open any website that you want to save the password and name credentials for. In this case we'll be using Facebook, so enter your name and password. I'm choosing random letters because I just want to show you. So click on login, and then you should see this on the top, save password, select save, and now it's moved to your Google passwords. We can click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and open as settings. Then select password. Inside, in case you don't see this save password, make sure that it's on. And now what we can do with the passwords is to click on it, and here you'll be able to check the passwords if you forgot it, but you will need to unlock your phone for that. And there's also options to remove them or edit them by also changing it right here to whichever one you like, and click on done. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.